How to fix Xfinity box stuck at welcome screen. So this pretty much means the box can't finish booting, there's a signal or activation problem, the firmware failed to load, or there is a power or cable connection issue. So here's a few things you can go ahead and try and do. First is a power cycle. This is usually most effective. So you're gonna have to do a full reset, but not just a quick unplug. So unplug the TV box from the power, unplug the coax cable, wait 60 seconds over here, and reconnect the coax cable firmly. Plug the power back in and wait up to 10 minutes. So this pretty much clears any temporary boot errors. You can also go ahead and check the cable connections. So any loose or damaged cables can stop activation. So ensure the coax cable is fingered tight, try a different coax outlet if available, and avoid splitters if possible. So check the HDMI cable is secure as well. So even a slightly loose coax can cause the welcome screen to loop. The next one is to restart the box from the Xfinity app. So if the app detects your box, go ahead and open the Xfinity app, go to the devices, then to the TV, select your TV box and tap restart device. So it will force a clean reboot from the Xfinity system. You can also try refreshing or reauthorizing the signal. So your first option is in the Xfinity app. Go to app, TV, then troubleshoot, select a refresh signal. The second option is online, so sign into your xfinity.com, go to support, and then troubleshoot TV. Finally, you can check for a service outage. So if there's an outage, the box can't finish loading for some reason. Now, this really isn't applied for most, but you can always go ahead and try checking as well, especially if you are connected to some sort of internet. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your Xfinity box is looping on the welcome. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.